Welcome to my channel. Today we will find the complementary function for third and higher order differential equations. In this session, first example is solve d power 3 minus 9d square plus 23d minus 15 into y equal to 0. For solving this equation, first we can write the given equation. Given equation is d power 3 minus 9d square plus 23d minus 15 into y is equal to 0. Then auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That means put d is equal to m power 3 9m square plus 23d minus 15 equal to 0. Next, what is the process? To find the roots of this equation, we go for the Horner's method. What is Horner's method is, first write the coefficient of m power 3. What is coefficient of m power 3? 1. Coefficient of m square. What is coefficient of m square? Coefficient of m square is minus 9. Next, coefficient of m. Coefficient of m is 23. Next, coefficient of constant, that is minus 15. Minus 15. How to write the coefficients? M power 3 coefficient is 1. M square coefficient is minus 9. M coefficient is 23. Constant is minus 15. After writing the coefficients, first you can take trial and error method. 1 r minus 1, 2 r minus 2, 3 r minus 3, like this. Okay, I will consider 1. Here we put 0 for the first number. 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Again, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Next, minus 8 into 1, minus 8, minus 8. 23 minus 8 is 15. 15 into 1, it is 15. That is 0. If you get the 0, then automatically m is equal to 1 is the root. M is equal to 1 is the root. Therefore, first you can write m is equal to 1 is a root. Next, it is coefficient of m power 3 and it is coefficient of m square and it is coefficient of m and it is constant. After getting 0, the remaining coefficient becomes it is m square coefficient, it is m power 3 coefficient, it is constant. You can remember, it is m power 3 coefficient, it is m square coefficient, it is m coefficient, it is constant. After getting the one root, it becomes m square coefficient, m coefficient constant. Then automatically it becomes m square minus 8m plus 15 equal to 0 is the next reduced equation. Is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the, we get a is equal to what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 15. Next, roots. What is the formula for roots? Roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. For the problem, roots m is equal to what is b? Minus of minus 8 plus or minus root of minus 8 whole square. 4 into a value is 1, c value is 15 whole divided by 2 into 1. You can simplify it. Minus into minus plus or minus root of 8 square is 64 Next, minus 4 into 15 is 60 whole divided by 2. That is equal to 8 plus or minus root 4 by 2. 8 plus or minus 2 by 2. 8 plus 2 by 2, comma 8 minus 2 by 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 by 2, comma 6 by 2. 5 by 5, comma 3. How to get? By cancelling with 2. You get 5, comma 3. Therefore, roots m is equal to 1, comma 3, comma 5. If the equation is in d power 3, the roots are 1, 2, 3. If the equation is d power 4, in equation 4 we get 4 roots. Therefore, it is in the form of m, comma m2, comma m3. The roots are real and unequal. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF. How to write the CF for unequal roots? C1 e to the power of m1x, C2 e to the power of m2x, C3 e to the power of m3x. What is m1? Y is equal to C1 e power x 1, C2 e power 3x 3, C3 e to the power of 5x. This is the solution for the third order differential equation. It is called Harness method. Okay. Coming to the next problem. Next problem is solve. Problem number 2, solve d power 3 y by dx power 3 minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. The problem, first write the given equation. For writing the solution, the given equation is d power 3y by dx power 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Next, operator form is d power 3 minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 0. Next, auxiliary equation is m power 3 minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. It is f of d into y equal to 0 and it is f of m equal to 0. Put d is equal to m, we get the auxiliary equation. Next, for Harness method, here m power 3 coefficient is 1, m square is not there, therefore 0, m coefficient is minus 3, m coefficient after m coefficient constant is 2, m power 3 coefficient is 1, m square coefficient is not there because 0, there is no term in the equation, m square is there is absent. Here m coefficient is minus 3, constant is 2. In the regular manner, you can take 1. Here you can put 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Again 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 0. Therefore, immediately m is equal to 1 is a root. It is m power 3 coefficient, it is m square coefficient, it is m coefficient, it is constant. But after getting the one root, it reduces to m square coefficient, m coefficient, constant. Therefore, coming to the problem, therefore m is equal to 1 is a root, comma, next reduced equation is m square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Clearly it is quadratic equation. It is in the form of is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here it is a and here it is 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. It is b and it is 1. Therefore it is 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. C is equal to minus. C is constant. Are you clear? Next. What is the formula for quadratic roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Here a is 1, b is 1, c is equal to minus 2. Substitute the values in the formula. What is x? M minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 whole divided by 2. Simplify it. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 8, because 4 into 2 8, minus into minus plus whole divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 9 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus 3 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2, comma, minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Here you can see minus 1 plus 3 is 2 by 2, comma, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 2. That is equal to 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2. Therefore, the roots m is equal to you can write 1 comma minus 3. It is in the form of m comma m1. First two roots are equal. Next third one is unequal. If the equation is in d power 3, compulsorily we get the 3 roots. Therefore, what is the comment? Roots are real, comma, equal and unequal. Okay, it is a combination of real, comma, equal and unequal. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF, that is equal to C1 plus C2x into e power mx for equal roots plus C3 e to the power of m1x for unequal. Therefore, solution y is equal to C1 plus C2x into e to the power of x for two roots are equal. C1 plus C2 is for equal roots plus C3 into e to the power of minus 2x is for unequal roots. This is about the problem number 2. Third order differential equation. Solution is y is equal to C1 plus C2x into e power x plus C3 into e power minus 2x. Okay, next, coming to the next problem, solve. It is also third order problem. Solve. For third problem, solve d power 3 x by dt power 3 minus 2 into d square x by dt square minus 3 into dx by dt is equal to 0. It is not in operator form. Therefore, solution is, first write the given equation. What is given equation? D power 3x by dt power 3, 2 into d square x by dt square, 3 into dx by dt. Here you can observe x is the dependent variable, t is the independent variable. Instead of, here you can see, instead of dy by dx, we have dx by dt, For writing y is equal to, you can write x is equal to y in terms of x. Here x is in terms of t. That is the solution. I will give the clarification in writing the solution. Therefore, of writing the given equation, operator form is d power 3 minus 2d square minus 3d into yx is equal to 0. Here the variable is x. Next, auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That is m power 3 minus 2m square minus 3m equal to 0. Here there is no constant. Like this, here there is no constant. Immediately you can take m common. M square minus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. If we taking m common, it converted to two factors. First factor is m equal to 0. Second factor is m square minus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. Here it is one root. M is equal to 0 is the one root. It is in the form of quadratic. Therefore, he is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. Okay. It is m square coefficient is 1, m coefficient is minus 2, constant is minus 3. After getting the values of a, b, c, first write the formula for quadratic equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. For the problem, instead of x, you can write m is equal to, what is b value? Minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is minus 2 whole square. 4 into a into minus 3 by 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 12 whole divided by 2. 2 plus or minus root 16 by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2 plus or minus 4 by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2, comma 2 minus 4 by 2. Therefore, 6 by 2, comma minus 2 by 2. After getting cancellation, it is 3, comma minus 1. Therefore, what are the roots? M is equal to 0, comma 3, comma minus 1. It is in the form of m1, comma m2, comma m3. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF equal to all are unequal, real and unequal. Therefore, solution CF equal to C1 e to the power of m1x, C2 e to the power of m2x, C3 e to the power of m3x. What is m1? 0. C1 e power 0x, C2 e to the power of 3x, C3 e to the power of minus x is the complete solution for the x is equal to C1 e to the power of t e to the power of t e to the power of m3 into t. Instead of x, you can write t here. Therefore, I will forget it. Okay, it is t. Therefore, here the problem is, instead of dy by dx, dx by dt is there. Therefore, instead of y is equal to cf, you can write x is equal to cf. Instead of e to the power of x, you can write e to the power of t. It is the difference between the dy by dx problem and dx by dt problem. Therefore, x is equal to cf. C1 e to the power of m1t plus C2 e to the power of m2t plus C3 e to the power of m3t is equal to C1 into e power 0t plus C2 into e power 3t plus C3 into e to the power of minus t is the solution for the third order differential equation. Okay. Problem number 4. Solve d power 4 minus 2d power 3 minus 3d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Here it is already in operator form. Therefore, for writing the solution, write the auxiliary equation m power 4 2m power 3 3m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Next, for finding the roots of the fourth order equation, here you can write the coefficients. What is m power coefficient? 1. M power 3 coefficient minus 2. M power 2 coefficient minus 3. M coefficient is 4. Constant is 4. Here m power 4 coefficient, m power 3 coefficient, m square coefficient, m coefficient constant. As usual, you can try by 1. First you can put 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, that is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, that is 4. It is not equal to 0 because m is equal to 1 is not a root. Therefore, next you can try by the minus 1. You can write the same coefficients 1 minus 2 minus 3 4 4. Again you can take minus 1 because 1 is not a root. Here also put 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0. 0 into minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. It is 0. That is equal to, it is 0. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 is a root. This one is root. But here you can see it is m power 4 coefficient and it is m power 3 coefficient, that is m square coefficient, m coefficient constant coefficients. After getting one root, it becomes m power 3 m square m constant coefficients. Then also you go for the Harness method because it is in m power 3. Therefore 1 minus 3 0 4. Again you try by 1 or minus 1 or 2 or minus 2. I will take minus 1 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, that is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 into minus 4 1 is minus 4. 0. Again it is 0. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 is a root. Then it becomes m square m constant. Are you get after getting the two roots, therefore m is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 are the two roots. The reduced equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. E is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. For this quadratic equation, it is the best method. Therefore, roots for the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, roots for the m square problem is m is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 16 by 2. That is equal to 4 plus or minus 0 by 2. 4 plus 0 by 2 is the first root. 4 minus 0 by 2 is the second root, that is equal to 4 by 2 comma 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 comma 2. Finally we get the 4 roots, therefore roots m is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 comma 2. It is in fourth order, therefore we get the 4 roots here. First 2 roots are equal, second root 2 roots are equal, therefore roots are real and repeated equal, repeated equal, 2 roots are equal, therefore solution y is equal to cf is equal to, for first 2 roots you can write c1 plus c2x into e to the power of mx. For second 2 roots c3 plus c4x into e to the power of mx. Okay, here you can see the first 2 roots are minus 1 comma minus 1, that is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power of minus x, c3 plus c4x into e to the power of 2x is the solution for the given equation.